Hi guys, my name is Ata and today topic is what is web development. Today I will tell you about web development, its uses and benefits. Web development is the process of building and maintaining websites and web application. It involves a combination of skills including front-end development, creating the user interface and user experience UI and UX using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and framework like React and Angular. Back-end development, building the server-side logic, database integration and API connectivity using languages like Java, Python, Ruby and frameworks like Node.js and Django. Database management, designing, implementing and maintaining databases to store and retrieve data. Web designing, creating the visual aspects of website including layout, color scheme, typography and graphic. Web security, ensuring the website is secure, protected against hacking and follows the best policies for data protection. Testing and debugging, identifying and fixing errors, ensuring the website work as expected. Deployment and maintenance, launching the website, monitoring performance and updating content. Web development includes various stages: planning and analysis, designing and photography, development and testing, launch and deployment, maintenance and updates. Web developments are various tools, text editors, integrated development environments, version control system, web framework and libraries, database management system. The goal of web development is to create a website or a web application that is visually appealing, user friendly, fast and efficient, secure, scalable, accessed on various devices and browsers. Now I will tell you about uses of web development. The web development has numerous uses across various industries including e-commerce, online shopping platform, digital marketplace and retail websites. It is used in education like online courses, educational resources and learning management system, healthcare, medical website, patient portal and telemedicine platform, finance, online marketing, investment platform and financial services website, entertainment, streaming services, online gaming platform and social media, businesses, company website, internet and business to business B2B platform, government, official government website, public services and civic engagement platform, non-profit, charity website, donation platform and awareness campaigns, personal blog, portfolios and personal websites, marketing, digital marketing agencies, SEO and advertising platform. Web development enables organizations to establish an online presence, reach a global audience, provide information and resources, offer products and services, engage with customer and users, build brand awareness, drive business growth, improve communication and collaboration, enhance user experience, stay competitive in digital age. In summary, web development is essential for creating online platforms that cater to diverse needs, industries, and purpose, ultimately driving digital transformation and growth. Now I will tell you about importance. Importance of web development lies in its ability to establish online presence, create a digital footprint for individual, business, and an organization, reach a global audience, connect with people worldwide, transcending geographical bounding, provide information resources, offer valuable content, services and product to users, drive business growth, generate leads, sales and revenue through e-commerce and online marketing, improve user experience, create initiative, interactive and engaging online experience, enhance brand awareness, build and maintain a strong online reputation and identity, facilitate communication and collaboration, enable real-time interaction and information sharing, support digital information, drive innovation, efficiency and competitiveness in various industries, create new opportunity, enable new business models, careers and industries to emerge, improve scalability, provide equal access to information, services and opportunities for all. In summary, web development plays a crucial role in today's digital age. It plays a very crucial and important role in today's now present area 2024. Web development is very essential, enabling individuals, businesses and organizations to establish a strong online presence. It enables users, individuals, businesses and organizations to establish a long and a strong online presence by which they reach a wider audience and drive growth and innovation. Web development is essential for creating online platforms that cater to diverse needs, industries, purposes, and ultimately driving digital transformation and growth. I hope this video will be quite informative for you. Thank you for watching.